Hello everybody, my name is Boris and we will start a new series about microcontrollers. For this video specific, we will talk about the Infineon Traveo T2G series. And first chapter that we will discuss in this series will be communication. First of all, this microcontroller have possibilities of 10 CAN-FD channels, which is possible to use with up to 8 megabits per second speed for every channel. Then we have 11 runtime reconfigurable SCBs or serial communication block channels, which considering I2C, SPI, and word communication for these channels. Also 12 possible to use LIN channels and 2 possible to use Ethernet MAC interfaces, so 2 interfaces in this device, in this microcontroller, with speeds each one of them 10, 100 and 1000 megabits per second. So 1 gigabit per second is maximum speed for both of these MAC interface or MAC controllers which are on the Traveo 2 microcontroller, and they are part of or conforming to IEEE standard 802.3AZ. Also, we have a FlexRay interface, version 2.1, configurable for single or dual data channels for fault tolerance, supporting data rates up to 10 megabits per second. So maybe best known and very useful two interfaces are these Ethernet MAC interfaces, and they are represented on the architecture here. So actually we have up to 2 channels for communication, for Ethernet communication with other devices, which is very useful when we have inside that we have 1 gigabit per second, which is very fast possible of communication for each 2 of these interfaces. Let's see also a little bit of characteristics of these MAC interfaces and what is the possibilities of using of that interface with the PI layer. So as we know from other videos that we made, that usually on the microcontroller there is an interface which we use for Ethernet communication, and there is two that MAC level interfaces or MAC interfaces that we use in that purpose, or we can use in that purpose in Traveo 2G SIT4BF. We have the speeds also, and let's see the characteristics and how we can connect them with a file layer, which is first layer, and of course MAC layer is second layer. There is a first way, which is media independent interface, which is marked in MII. Then we have a reduced media independent interface, or RMIYI, and then we have a reduced gigabit media independent interface, which is RGMII, probably for these highest speeds which can be used and which can be, let's say, used in these two MAC controllers which are inside this microcontroller. So I think this is enough for this start of communication possibilities for using inside microcontroller, which is Traveo 2G, and we will continue about discussing about other connections and other things that are possible to use inside this Infineon Traveo 2. So that's all for this video.